Hello everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to learn basic English for talking in a store. Whether you're shopping for clothes, groceries, or electronics, knowing how to ask questions and respond politely will make your experience much smoother. Let's go over some essential phrases to help you feel confident when talking in a store. Let's get started. Step 1. Greeting the staff. Hello. How are you today? Hi, do you have a moment to help me? Good morning. Step 2. Asking for assistance. Excuse me, can you help me find item? Do you have item in stock? I'm looking for item. Could you point me in the right direction? Step 3. Asking about prices and discounts. How much does this cost? Is this item on sale? Do you have any discounts available? Step 4. Inquiring about sizes or variants. Do you have this in a size medium? Is there a larger size available? Does this come in other colors? Step 5. Asking about payment options. Can I pay with a credit card? Do you accept contactless payments? Is there an option to pay in installments? Step 6. Saying thank you and goodbye. Thank you so much for your help. Thanks, have a great day. I appreciate your assistance. Quick review. English for talking in a store. Greeting the staff, hello. How are you today? Asking for assistance. Can you help me find item? Asking about prices and discounts. How much does this cost? Inquiring about sizes or variants. Do you have this in a larger size? Asking about payment options. Can I pay with a credit card? Saying thank you and goodbye. Thank you so much for your help. With these simple phrases, you'll be able to navigate any store confidently in English. Whether you're asking for help, checking prices, or finding the right size, these expressions will make your shopping experience easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips and lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy shopping!